Men of Reddit, your penis now makes an audible sound when ejaculating, any sound of your choosing. What's your choice?
That sound when Squidward walks.
A party horn.
Goofy falling off a ledge.
A slide whistle.
The theme that plays when you end a Super Mario level.
A car horn so I can Pavlov myself into having infinite orgasms in rush hour traffic.
The THX sound.
You run an inconvenience store. What do you sell?
We have everything, just not the brand your spouse was expecting.
Any clear liquid you could possibly ever need. Water, rum, vinegar, brake cleaner, you name it. All on the same shelf, all in identical plastic bottles, all unlabeled. You open it, you buy it. AA batteries, but with a strict limit of 1 battery per customer. Earbuds, but they're at the stage where they only work at a certain angle.
Tickets to shows, but only in weird numbers. Either you buy 3 adult, 4 senior citizen and 2 kid tickets, or you don't buy it at all.
Everything, but there's a waitlist and you have to sign up on our website with a very convoluted sign-up process.
Gym goers of Reddit, what is something, protocol, etiquette, tips, etc., that New Year resolutioners should know about the gym?
Don't hog the weights. The most annoying thing someone can do is hog all the freaking weights and dumbbells and refuse to let others use them. Nobody is staring at you, and nobody cares that you are fat or ugly or out of shape. Do your routine with confidence.
Actually read how to use the equipment.
You get fit in the gym, you lose weight in the kitchen.
The really huge intimidating looking guy squatting half the plates in the gym is probably pretty friendly and the most likely guy to help you out and offer you good advice.
What is the scariest message aliens contacting us from deep space would tell to freak us out?
Some harrowing cry for help. A species more advanced than us screaming for help would imply something much worse is already after them.
Sorry guys, dinner's ready and Mom says I should turn you off.
Don't try this again. After the 5th time we're tired of sending your planet back to the Stone Age.
2 words followed by a never-ending screeching noise. Vacuum decay.
Nothing, just bird noises. Lots of bird noises.
We accidentally broke this golden thing, sorry.
A random hello would scare the fuck out of everyone at NASA, let me say that.
What would Hermione Granger and Boris Johnson say to one another? According to the timelines of Harry Potter, Hermione Granger is now Minister for Magic, ergo she has had a meeting with Prime Minister Boris Johnson to inform him of the wizarding world. How would that have gone?
Hang on, does this mean that Harry Potter wizards recognize the Queen?
Now I want to imagine him using the public toilet transportation system to get him anywhere he needs to.
It's pronounced Brexit, not procrastinate. What in the fuck made you think of this question?
What does one damage in real life?
Getting zapped by static electricity. Getting high-fived really strongly.
Stingy asshole after excessive wiping.
Dropping your phone on your face when laying down.
Clipping your nail just a fraction too short. Pulling a random hair out when brushing/playing with your hair. A dead arm first thing in the morning. That weird way clothes pinch you. Eyelash/dust getting in your eye.
The sound when you accidentally scrape a knife against a plate.
A new law passed states that all persons of legal adult age must carry a visible melee weapon in public at all times at least 6 inches long. What is your everyday weapon of choice?
One of those extending boxing gloves.
Probably a spiked club. Then I'd use some fake blood left over from Halloween to spice it up a bit.
Giant spoon.
Luger with bayonet.
Fuck it, a sword. Already legal to open carry one in Texas. And not many people are gonna want to try to fuck up someone with a sword.
A pool noodle. Just because the law states you must carry a melee weapon doesn't mean assault is legal, so I'll just get a light one that won't get in the way that much.
That would have to be a Scottish claymore. Or bastard sword.
Police officers of Reddit, what's the craziest situation you've been in? You are gifted a small magical device that knows everything past, present and future but can only display a number. What is the first number you ask for?
The number of times I was in the same room as a murderer since birth. If I took all the poop I ever created in my life and stacked it into a 3-foot-high wall 1 foot thick, how long would the wall be in miles?
I would want to know how many times I bought milk from the same cow.
I want the Jackpot Powerball, Mega Millions, and Lotto America numbers.
Seeing as you've not limited the digits, surely you can ask any question you want and add with letters represented by binary? How many people were in on the assassination of JFK?
The answer to life, the universe and everything.
Those who basically live out of hotels due to work travel, what's the best and worst part of it?
You can earn points to take your family on vacation and it not cost you an arm and a leg. That is probably the best part. The worst part, every room looks the same after a while no matter what city you are in.
Best part, new city and things to try. Worst part, missing out on hobbies, having to reconnect with your so-on kids when you get home because you missed yet another week. The restaurant food, Whole Foods hot bar was my treat.